There's something most charities spend a lot of time on. The messaging, the story, and the emotion appeal. I get it, all of that matters. But then a donor clicks donate, they land on your checkout, and something feels off. It's not broken, it's not wrong, it's just slow. See, a few extra seconds, a couple more steps, and that slight delay, and suddenly that intent that the donor had starts to fade away. So the assumption that you might have is, well, maybe the messaging didn't land. Maybe the story or the pull wasn't strong enough. But you see, usually that's not where the problem is. Because I've seen strong campaigns with really, really powerful storytelling, but they still lose donors at that final step. And the real issue is this. See, trust is tested at that point of action, not just at the point of emotion. And your copy, it actually builds belief. But your checkout, that's what confirms whether that belief actually holds. And when someone reaches that final step, they're no longer asking, do I care? Rather, there's a mind shift and they're starting to ask questions like, is this site safe? Is this transaction reliable? Can I trust this transaction? They're asking basically, does this feel right? And usually speed plays a much bigger role in that moment than most people and charities realize. Because slow doesn't just feel inconvenient, it actually feels somewhat uncertain. And uncertainty creates hesitation. And hesitation breaks momentum. Now, why does this matter? See, it's important to understand that donation momentum is very, very fragile. By the time someone reaches your checkout, they've already decided that they want to give. They've made that decision. Your job as a charity at that point is not to convince them anymore, but to protect that decision that they've made. And so every extra second, every unnecessary extra step, every delay is a moment where doubt can start to creep in. And once doubt appears, it doesn't take much for that donation to completely stop. That's why a fast checkout, a reliable checkout doesn't just improve conversion, it builds confidence. It signals to the donor that this is organized, this is secure, and this site is trustworthy. And that feeling often matters more than anything you've written above that checkout modal. So here's the fix. Let's break it down. You need to treat your checkout like part of your trust system, not just like a payment step that you're adding in. That means when someone clicks donate, that experience should feel instant. It shouldn't feel like eventually. It shouldn't feel like loading. It should rather feel pretty immediate. And it should be pretty simple, not like a process that they need to start thinking through. And of course, it should also feel pretty familiar, not something like they're working out for the first time. And most importantly, it should feel like a continuation of the decision that they've already made. Because the moment your checkout makes someone pause, you've turned a confident donor into an uncertain one. So in summary, good copy, of course, gets people to care. It does the job, but a fast checkout allows them to take action on that decision. And in fundraising, action is everything. You need to make it fast, you need to make it smooth, and you need to make it feel effortless. And if you do that, you won't just improve conversions, but you build trust at the most exact moment it matters most.